بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رحيم. Read again.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Okay.
سلل سائل
It's not lam. It's Hamza.
بعذاب
This is Hamza. Sa a sa'ala. Yeah.
سأل سائل
It's Hamza.
بعذاب
This is Hamza.
إِلٌ بعذاب no بِالْ- بالواقع
No, you will not make the vowel sound, but you have to make a gunna sound. So it's going to become bi'adhabin waqi'.
بالوا- بالواقع no wait what
Waqi'. Waqi'.
بالواقع
Qi'. Make the ayn sound in the ayn. Ayn will become sakin. Read again from the beginning of the first ayah.
سأل سائل
Ilum
بعذاب
dugunna.
واقع
No, Daniel, listen to me carefully. Sa'ala sa'ilum lum dugunna because it's iqlab.
سأل سائل بعذاب واقع
Clear. With the ayn sound.
قيم
Clear. Yeah.
بعذاب واقع
Good. Bi'adhabin dugunna properly.
بعذاب واقع
No, you're not making a wow sound properly. Round your lips. Bi'adhabin biu.
بعذاب واقع
واقع. It's alif madda.
واقع
Okay, let's start again.
سأل سائل بعذاب واقع
Did you make a ein sound or some other sound? Reading in
عين
reading in wa
واقع
waqi' qi'.
واقع
Okay, next ayah.
للكافرين ب... ليس له دافع
Not fi'u. It will become
في
sakin. Dafi'. Reading in
دافع
lil kafirina laysa lahu dafi'. Lil.
ل- للكافرين ليس له دافع
Very good. Next ayah, please.
من الله ذي المعارج
Can you stretch this letter Allah?
uh, yes.
Why?
Wait, no, because it's not the ya is not talking.
Yeah. If you can say the letter ya is sakin, but at that spot as well we're not gonna stretch the letter dal because we have discussed whenever there is a madda letter, but next to it there is an hamza wasli which is like this, which is al ma'arij right now. We're gonna skip both of them, the madda letter as well as the hamza wasli. So we're gonna connect the letter with the sign directly with the second letter. So it's going to become zil, zil, not zil, but zil. من الله ذي المعارج ذي المعارج من الله ذي المعارج. Read.
Allah
Not
zil
Allahi, min Allah. Read from the
ma-
beginning of the ayah.
min Allah zil ma'arij.
Okay, you did a great job, but these three lines, okay, are going to be your lesson again for tomorrow. You're gonna review these three lines again for the upcoming class as well. Okay, we'll see inshallah Azawajal, these three lines on the next class as well. So you have to review them properly. Alright, Dania?
Okay.
Alright.